Hey guys, it's Irfan, and I've got a Diablotek case here, and it's got an ASUS motherboard inside. I'll give you the pictures at the end of the video for the specs on the motherboard and what it is, but I just wanted to show you quick what it looks like inside. It's already running. I've got my hard drive here. I've got Windows 10 LTSC on it. That's the optical drive. That's my video card with my output at the back there. I'll show you that in a minute. This is a real cool running case. It's got a fan here in the front. You can see it in there. It's got two fans on top here. It's got another fan at the back there, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4 fans. Plus you got the CPU fan, of course. It's got two memory card slots, and this video card is covering up the brand and the model number on it. Let me try to lay it down and give you a better shot. So that's what it looks like. The case, you got these expansion bays here, and that's the motherboard. See if I give you a good vertical shot there. There, you can see the whole thing. Pretty quiet run-in too. And that's the power supply here. Now I'm going to show you the back. And that's what the back looks like. That's your typical connections there. That's the video card, DVI, DisplayPort, HDMI, and your power supply in the bottom. And you've got your PS2 mouse and keyboard connections there, plus your gaming stuff here, USB ports, and that's your audio and stuff like that. That's your optical drive there.